Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by parking safely and shutting the engine off. Wait about 5–10 minutes so fuel system pressure stabilizes. Next, open the filler door and remove the gas cap. Inspect the rubber O-ring and tether for cracks, compression set, or dirt. If dirty, wipe threads with a lint-free cloth and any light solvent. Once clean, reinstall the cap and tighten until you hear 2–3 firm clicks. Because the evaporative control system needs a tight seal to stop the check engine trigger. Once the cap is back on, you must verify the seal holds. Inspect for hardening or flat spots. If you have doubts, compare to a new cap or photos online. You can do a basic leak check by applying soapy water to the seal and watching for bubbles as you snug the cap. Bubbles mean a leak. If it fails, replace the cap. Choose OEM or a quality universal cap and install until you hear those consistent clicks so the evap system regains integrity. You finish by starting the car and driving normally. Many vehicles extinguish the check engine light after 1 to 3 drive cycles once the cap seal is fixed. If the light remains, use an OBD-Roman 2 scanner to read codes. Common evap codes like P0456 or P0442 point to small or medium leaks. If codes persist, replace the cap, clear codes, and retest. Troubleshooting tip. If replacing the cap doesn't help, inspect evap hoses for cracks and loose clamps, or see a technician for a smoke test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.